What is up, guys? It's your boy Dave over here, and today we got another banger. Wait, this is my first banger. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Hold up. This is actually my first banger on this channel. Quick little backstory. I don't think y'all understand just how long I've been doing YouTube. Like, I've been doing YouTube since I was a kid. Like, I've been doing YouTube for actually quite some time, so. But I've never actually taken it serious until now. So let's get right into it. And going by the title of today's video, this is about how to get rich working a 9 to 5. I don't know if many of y'all know this, but a 9 to 5 job is not designed for you to necessarily get rich. It's not designed, so to speak, for you to get ahead. They're designed to pay you just enough to take care of you and to have you coming back every week and day.
And the next day, 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 and the next day.
And to be honest, so many people actually live their life without actually ever living their life. Some people has actually worked since their teens all the way up until they died. And you don't want to be like that. Now, our parents are a little bit less fortunate, and our grandparents. Y'all, this new generation, y'all, we are extremely blessed. Y'all, we can make money like that, honestly. And it's not even the fact that we can make the money, it's the fact that we also got the knowledge to be able to do so and to really do whatever endeavor that we really want to pursue on. We have the resources available. We are blessed. The resources are here. It's all up to you to getting on board and actually making that leap and just going on that journey and adventure. All right, now going into the video. Number 1, going into debt. Oh yeah, I know y'all might think like, oh man, going into debt. Oh my goodness, going into debt. Anybody about to go into debt? Y'all, listen. Going into debt, every debt is not bad debt, okay? All debt is not bad debt. Okay, you might buy a book that might be a book about spiders, and you're in school, and the book actually had nothing to do about your school's curriculum, but it's a simple fact that you might have spent $50 on this book, and you have a science test coming up, and you know way more on that test than what everybody else knows just because you bought that book. You invested into yourself. That's good debt. You're investing into yourself. You're investing into yourself to get knowledge as an exchange. You might have had your tires on all year and your tires are kind of bald, and you buy a brand new set of all 4 tires, and it might have took a chunk out of your pocket. But you have all 4 new tires on your car, which is great. That's not bad. You went to the grocery store. You spent $300. That's not bad debt. That is a good chunk out of your wallet that is used to help better you, to help further you. So going in debt is definitely good. Investing into yourself. Okay, that's one way how to get rich. Invest into yourself. Upbuild yourself, okay? Upbuild yourself. Because listen, you might be working a job, and long as you're working and you're not upbuilding yourself, you're not putting your money to work. You're just working a job, getting money, and you're spending it. You're not actually upbuilding the things that you need to actually succeed in life in the long run. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to get rich and quit your 9 to 5 job, start investing into yourself. Make big purchases. Make outlandish purchases. If you feel like it's going to take you to the next level and whatever you're doing, do it. You might have spent $1,000 on a brand new camera. You might like taking Easter pictures of children every year. So you spend $1,000 on a camera. Okay? Now, every year whenever Easter rolls around and you built, up a reputable reputation, people are gonna come to you. And you're gonna make way more money out of what you've acquired and built up for yourself than what you initially spent on that camera. That camera has made you money. Now, you've created an additional income for yourself. All right, step number 2. Are you still here? Hey, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. It'll really help me out in order to really push these videos out on this channel. So yeah, go do that right now. ASAP. Investing. All right, I'm gone. Yes. Every time you get a paycheck, every time you get any additional sum of money, Invest your money. Now, this investing that I'm talking about is a little bit different than the investing into yourself, as I was just mentioned previously. This investing, I mean stock market. I mean cryptocurrency. I mean forex. I mean, you have to get hands-on with the chart. That's the type of investing I'm talking about. Every time you get paid, you have to dedicate a section and a slice of your income for the future. Whenever you invest, you are buying time for the future. When you invest, you are buying for a day that you don't have to work. And if you're not invested into a cryptocurrency, if you're not invested into a stock, then you're missing out. But really, if you're not trading forex, then you're really missing out, because forex is the only thing I've ever seen to have the type of returns that you can have you can make somebody yearly salary in a day, in a matter of minutes. And that's absolutely ridiculous, and I've never seen anything like it. And that is honestly why I pursue forex versus anything else. Forex is absolutely amazing whenever you get to know what you're doing, because it's going to be a point in time to where you can just hop on a chart, make you a quick $300 and get out and go on about the rest of your day as if you didn't even just do that. There's going to be a time to where you just hop on the chart, make you $1,000, get off the chart, and continue on doing what you do. Because honestly, y'all, I just want to wake up in the morning, get on the chart, make me some bucks, and go back to sleep and continue on with my day knowing that I've made some amount of money that I can actually live on, that would be greater than a 9-to-5 job. You can actually match what you get paid daily from your 9-to-5 job by trading for. You can match that every day. It'll be like it's like you're working 2 jobs. You can make you $200 a day on forex. By the time you cash out, it'll be like you're working 2 jobs. So yes, invest your money. Please invest your money. Put your money to motion. You have to have your money moving, okay? You do not want your money standing around, or you spending your money on stupid possessions, stupid things that's not IPAs, that doesn't equate to producing any income, any better good for your future. All right, now saying all that, that brings me into step number 3. This is compounding your money. And what I mean by compounding your money is, let's say you take $100 every time you get paid and you put that into a cryptocurrency. Let's say you buy in at a cryptocurrency at 3 cents. Okay, let's say you do that in January. I'm gonna just keep everything simple and linear and straightforward. Let's say you do that January 1st. Okay, and let's say every 2 weeks you get paid. You do that, so overall you're investing $200 a month. Okay, you keep investing that $200 every month. In May, you would have $1,000 invested. And let's say that price went from 3 cents up to 5, up to 10 cents. Okay? So, you do the math. To me, that's game. Now, what I said was not much different than step number 2, but it's the act of how you're handling your money. You're compounding your money. It's the act of doing that is what's going to make you rich. A lot of people that you see that's appear to be wealthy, that's wealthy now, or that quite frankly is an everyday millionaire, they compound their money. All right, now think about it. Let's say you're trading forex. Let's say you make $300 a week trading forex. All right, you can use that to also invest into other investments. Okay, that's whenever it begins to get spooky. You are tripling and doubling profited money. You are compounding your money. You just have to keep adding to the pot. Every paycheck you need to add to the pot. So number 1 is going into debt. Please go into debt. Get you some debt. Buy you something nice. Go into debt, buy, and make sure it's an IPA. Make sure it produces income. IPA means income producing activity. Make sure it can help you produce income and for the betterment of your future. Step number 2 was investing. Y'all, please invest your money every time you get paid. Put it into something, okay? Have your money losing money every day. Actually, don't have your money losing money every day. But yes, be red some days and be green most days. It doesn't matter what you're investing in, long as your money is moving, long as your money has some type of physical Well, digital motion. And step number 3 is compounding your money. Compound your money. What are you waiting for? You're not adding $100 to savings. You're adding $100 into an investment, and you're compounding your investment, which is step number 2. You want to quit your 9-to-5 job? Then I recommend you do those 3 things down there. You're not going to quit your job immediately, but it's definitely a start in the right direction. If you guys like this video, if you guys like everything that y'all have seen today, please like this video, go subscribe, knock that subscribe button out the freaking wall, go join Olinky. If y'all liked everything that y'all seen in this video today, please hit that like button, subscribe, go comment, do something. Let me know that y'all like this content so I can keep it going. Don't forget to head on over to our website at olinkyonline.com. There we have different pricing plans that's available to start your journey today. At Olinky, we teach forex, crypto, stocks. When you invest into Olinky, you're not just getting, learning how to trade. You're buying a mindset. You're buying a way of life. So y'all, please head on over to Olinky, y'all, and stop waiting and start your journey today.